professional.
I just got back from Hospital. And dun dumaan ako sa reception, kinuha ko na yung parcel ko. And then nakakuha ko ng free na chocolate drink. Sabi ng receptionist, ano daw to, leftover from yesterday's free breakfast. So, kumuha na din ako. Sayang naman, diba? I'm currently uploading yung mga ipiprint ko for later. It's so convenient kasi i-upload mo lang siya. Ganyan. And then, mamaya, pagdating ko sa library, itatap ko yung ID ko and then makikita ko lahat ng in-upload kong files and pwede ko na siyang i-print. And it's for free. I'm on my way sa aking first. And no, hindi siya first kasi only class ko lang naman siya for today. And this is my last week. And then after this week, meron kaming 5 weeks off sa school. Okay? Hi, it's currently 12:57 in the afternoon, September 3. May class ulit ako. Later, isa lang. I'll show you guys my fit. Ouch. This top is from Uniqlo. Pants are from Uniqlo. Shoes, Onitsuka, and then GVN. I'm always wearing Uniqlo.
Yes.
Nandito kami sa class namin. Anong pwesto?
Approaches in professional nursing.
VC, hi.
Approaches to Gaki.
Professional.
Approaches in professional nursing. Person-centered care yung isa. Okay.
Bukas yun.
Gagin.
My friends dropped me off dito sa village. They're going to Penrith. I think magta-time zone sila. Pero i-drop yata ni Luke si Jai tsaka si Jess sa Richmond Station. Hindi na ako sumama kasi kailangan ko tapusin yung bioscience ko. I borrowed a vacuum kasi kailangan ko maglinis. There's gonna be an inspection next week and I'm not gonna be here. And kailangan malinis yung room. Walking papunta doon sa N34 building para isoli yung vacuum. I'm gonna drink na yung free. Nakuha kong free kahapon na chocolate drink. Sana masarap siya. And look, I'm editing yung video kahapon. Hindi ko alam kung i-upload ko yan. And then I'm watching a vlog as well. In fairness, masarap siya, ha? Hi! Ngayon is 7:35 AM. September 4, papasok na ako sa aking workshop A and then CPU. May 2 classes ako today. And nadaanan daw ako dito nila Jess. Papunta sa school. Maaga sila ngayon. So, yeah. Yeah.
I would say that probably.